Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to share with you the power of intermittent fasting, okay?
What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle.
Intermittent fasting is a tool. It's not a diet. It doesn't tell you what to eat. It's a pattern of eating.
It's a pattern of eating where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. You don't have to count calories or restrict specific foods. Instead, you simply focus on when you eat.
Okay, it's a pattern of eating and not eating. It's not about cutting calories. It's just changing when you eat.
This approach aligns with the body's natural rhythm, allowing it to heal, repair, and optimize energy levels. It's simple, yet incredibly effective. No wonder it's so popular.
So why would you want to do this anyway?
Why do intermittent fasting? Why should you try intermittent fasting?
Because it is one, if not the most important factors in weight loss.
The benefits are extraordinary. It helps regulate hormones, promotes fat burning, and improves overall metabolic health. Not to mention, fasting reduces inflammation and enhances brain function.
Protect your muscles to build lean body mass and also just to lose actual fat, okay?
Many people report feeling more energetic, focused, and in control of their appetite. It's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a healthier, happier life.
This tool can really heal insulin resistance, where you have the pancreas pumping out way more insulin than you need.
What is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance. Sounds complex, doesn't it? But it's crucial to understand. When your body's cells stop responding to insulin, blood sugar levels rise, leading to weight gain, fatigue, and even diseases like type 2 diabetes.
5 to 7 times, because what happens when you have too much insulin, the cells start blocking it, but the pancreas doesn't get the feedback that the insulin is connecting. Resistance of insulin, it's not working. Low insulin in the cell, low glucose, but then you have high amounts of insulin in other places, which is very destructive.
It's a silent issue that affects millions, often without their knowledge. The good news? Intermittent fasting can be a game changer in reversing insulin resistance by giving your body a break from constant sugar spikes.
Okay, so I just wanted to cover what the power of this, what it is, and how you would do it starting here and gradually over here.
How to do intermittent fasting. Getting started with intermittent fasting is easier than you think. Choose a method that suits your lifestyle. 16-8, 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating. 5-2, 5 days of regular eating, 2 days of calorie restriction, or even alternate day fasting. During your fasting window, stick to water, black coffee, or herbal teas. No cheating. Most importantly, listen to your body. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your energy, health, and mindset transform like never before.